Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk /f/r c : and hit enter to execute this command. Now we need to type this command c : and simply press enter. Now we need to type cd space c : / and hit enter to execute. Now type cd space Windows and hit enter to execute the command. Then type cd space system32 and hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space *** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Now type dir and then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in copy space *** space ... and then hit enter. After that type all and again hit enter to execute the command. Type in bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type in cd space c : / and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32 /config /regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type this command bcd edit space /export space c : / bcd backup and hit enter. Now type cd space c : / and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space bcd. Type cd space c : / and hit enter. Type attrib c : /boot /bcd -h -r-s and hit enter. Now type ren space c : /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Now type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.